So it's Korean barbecue night. I'm sweating right now. So I got some short rib, flank style, cut. They're not steaks, they're short rib technically. So they are marinating now. I'm starving, so they've been marinating for like 45 minutes. They should have been marinating for like 1 to 3 hours. We don't have time, so I'm about to fry that up in some avocado oil, have my nice little sauce and some sushi rice. Actually, let me just show you guys the setup behind me and then we can go from there. Okay, so this is my sushi rice. I know you're supposed to have it with regular white rice. I honestly just like sushi rice. And I think the only white rice I have is like either jasmine, probably. And I just didn't want that. I love sushi rice. So it's like, let me get that on the stove, start that up early. Right now, I'm heating up some avocado oil. I prefer to fry this kind of meat in avocado oil because avocado oil has a higher smoke point, so it won't burn as quickly. Here is the sauce that I'm gonna use to finish it up. Here's the meat marinating, and here's my third cup of coffee for the day. It's decaf, but it's doing the job. So we're gonna get this together. So I have been up since like 5:30-ish. I was literally in Home Depot today by like 7 o'clock this morning. All right, let me give you guys an update. I can't remember if I told you this or not. So, as we all know, I finished the shed. Now, because I finished the shed, the deck is looking worse than what it was a week ago. Okay, it stands out more. And I've been literally working on this deck for the past 3 summers, and I haven't finished it. So I'm determined by the fall to finish it. I thought it was gonna start in September, like a few weeks from now, but I think I might start now. And I'm glad that I kind of did. I'm gonna do it in sections. The first section I'm gonna do is the stairs, because some of the threads are loose, and that's like an actual safety hazard. With that being said, even though there's I can't even talk. Even though there's exceptions in the New Jersey code, um, about replacing existing structures, I still want to make sure that like, we can get everything as structurally sound and up to code as possible. So with that said, the old measurements are off. And so I don't want to rebuild something with off measurements. So I'm actually trying to get the steps as close to current code as possible, even though I'm allowed the exception, if that makes sense. So anyways, I bought a stringer today as an example. I still need to decide the cuts that I'm going to make to it. But it's very dumb. I should have just bought all the material and just like dry fitted everything, but I was trying to avoid multiple trips, and then I was like, Denisha, this is stupid. You're gonna have multiple trips. So, with that being said, I was supposed to be on my way to Home Depot, and I said, I'm starving. We're gonna do this another day. I have so many other projects in the house that I have to get to. I said, we are going to do this another day. I know I probably can't go tomorrow. We'll see, because I want to get back into boxing and working out. I haven't worked out in like over a week because I've been sick. I'm ready to be in the gym, like for my own mental health. So that's the plan for tomorrow. So I don't think I'm going to Home Depot. We'll see. But yeah, I've been up since the crack of dawn trying to figure out how to plan this. So I still have some more to do. But anyways, let me start frying up. This oil is hot, so let me start frying up my short rib because I'm sweating. Okay, I turned down the rice a bit. It's still going, but let's get to Woo, short rib. Oh my god. The pan is hot. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's scorching hot. Cow. Oh my god. I might have to put down this camera for my own safety. Jesus. It's hot. Burning me. Burning me. Lord. Okay, so I had to, I can't even talk. I had to fry the meat off camera because this was popping so bad and it's about to pop again. So let me turn this down to low. So it wasn't a good idea to put in a freshly hot oil meat straight from the marinade because the meat was wet, but we have to deglaze this pan. Oh my God, let me put it on low because it's already starting to burn a little bit. It's gonna pop again, so I'm gonna step back a little. Let me add a little extra water here too. All right, put a little extra water in here. I'm gonna try to get the rest of this sauce out. Let's mix it. See if it works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But I like my meat saucy, so I like to do this. Just get all that flavor from the bottom of the pan. Let's mix it up real quick. And then I'm gonna throw my meat back in here. So it makes a nice sauce for my meat. So let me give it a minute to reduce and then I'm gonna throw my meat and toss it. Okay, time to serve up the plate. I had some green beans and I put salt. That's what you're seeing on the way. I put that in the microwave for like 45 seconds and I put some sushi rice and I went inside of the shower and while I was there, I let the meat go low and slow. So let's see if I can do this with one hand, just serving this nicely. Like, look at this meat. The pan was kind of crowded. That's why I like it extra saucy, because you want to get the sauce and the meat. Yeah, the pan was a little crowded. I ain't gonna hold you, but it's still good. Don't worry. Look at that. Just stack it on there. Ooh. My goodness. So delicious. Girl. Oh my goodness. So saucy. All right, I'm only gonna have 3 because these are fatty cut of meat. But look at this plate, y'all. And then I like to top it off when I'm serving it. Sorry for the shaky camera view. I'm trying to do this all with one hand. So here's how I like to serve it. Get my sesame seeds and put a little extra on there. Oh, just a little and a little on the rice too. And voila, that is the plate. Ooh, let's put some sesames right there. I don't know. It looks a little empty, but look how good that looks. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy this. Bon appetit. Like, look how good this looks. I'm recording again because I cannot believe how delicious this actually turned out.